Hi everyone, I'm back. I know it's been a while, but I've been a little under the weather. I'm back to show you the finished jute sews that I had started, and now that it's complete, I wanted to show you. Here is the bottom of the jute sews. And what I'm going to use these for is just slippers for around the house. They say you can wear them outside, which you can tell they're kind of made for outside too, but I think I'm just gonna wear them around the house as house slippers, and they're very comfortable. So, but I want to come back and show you the completed jute sews. Remember, this is the jute cord that I've completed the jute sews from. So in the comments below, guys, let me know what you think. Again, I think I'm gonna just use these for house slippers. In the comments, let me know what you think, and please like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next project.